Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have Coheed and Cambria and a song called Someone Who Can. Alright, so this is an energetic song, and yeah, we're youthful and rockish, so I love that scenario. Let's go into this song here, and it's actually very easy when it comes to handling it. We have not that many chords, only 4 different chords here, guys, so very easy. No need for a capo here, so let's go into it. We're gonna start with E, and that goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord will be the C sharp minor. We're gonna work with bar chord now, so that is index finger on the 4th fret, and you're gonna push down all strings except from the last E string. You don't need that one. And then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Next chord is the B. I'm gonna go with the sus version of it. Alright, so it's another bar chord. You're gonna place the index finger now on the 2nd fret, same 5 strings. You're gonna push them down, and then you're gonna add 4th on D and 4th on G. And then finally we have the A and the sus version of that as well. So you're gonna go open A, second D, second G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we have one main chord progression, and the thing that is gonna change here or be different is the amount of times you're gonna play them per chord in the way you're gonna play strumming. So that is the difference pretty much in the song. If you grab the first chord, the E, 1 string around goes down, up, down, up. So down, up, and then the second down, I really like to go full down on the higher strings as well. So really mark that second down. So one string around here, down, up, down, up. Okay, or if you looked into the introduction of the tutorial, we had one version with the clap as well. If you want to emphasize the beat in the song, then you replace that second down with a clap. So down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up, down, up, clap, up. Either way will work, and yeah, I'm going to teach you with down, up here. So let's go into the chord progression, and it's actually in the way we learned it. So you're going to play E for 8 string rounds in the verse play. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then the same with all other chords: C sharp minor 8, B sus 8, and A sus 8. So play that for 2 chord progression rounds in the verse. Then comes the pre-chorus. It's very, very easy. You just play 1 down on the B sus with a big pause, and that builds up for the chorus play. Okay, the chorus play is played in the same way when it comes to chords as the verse play, but now you're gonna play only 4 string rounds per chord. So E, and C, and B, and A. You're gonna play that for 2 chord progression rounds, and then starts the next round of everything. It's just repetition there, guys. And pre-chorus, the chorus, again, same way there. And after that, we have a post-chorus part after the second chorus. You're gonna continue to play the chorus play there. All right, so only 4 string rounds per chord: E, C, B, and A. All right. And in the last round of it, at 2 minutes and 29 seconds in, you're gonna stay with the A for 8 rounds instead of 4. So 8 rounds instead of 4, the last round of that chord progression in the bridge slash second post chorus. Okay, and then comes the third chorus. You're gonna play that again in the same way as the previous choruses. This is a lot of E4 and all other chords for 4 string rounds. And then you have the outro part left. The last 3 rounds of this chord progression, it's actually enough to play just 1 down with big pauses in between. Imagine you have 4 string rounds there. That's the length of the pauses. And you're gonna end with A there. And yeah, that is pretty much how I handle this song, Someone Who Can. So it's pretty much, if you strip it down, the E, C, B, and A chord with either 8 or 4 string rounds per chord, and that's it. Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this, and if it was helpful, then leave me a like, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Till next time guys, play tuned.